Good morning, Ms. Neville Science students. Here's your weekly check-in. I wanted to make sure you knew of some assignments you'd be working on this week, as well as some strategies that you can employ to make sure that you're being as successful in science and virtual learning as you can. As you know, or maybe you don't know, all assignments in the yellow, orange, and blue folder are open for you to make any second attempts on any assignments where you have remaining attempts to make other attempts. Ms. Neville is updating those grades as quickly as she can, but sometimes if Ms. Neville or a teacher goes too fast with grading, the grading can become inaccurate. So thank you so much for being patient as Ms. Neville updates those grades so she can make sure that they're really showing your mastery. It's also important for you to understand that to be successful in science, you need to have a dedicated science notebook. That means during live sessions, you're taking notes. Ms. Neville even tells you in the live sessions and recorded sessions what you need to be writing down, okay? A great strategy you can use as well when you're taking your notes is to anything Ms. Neville's drawing, you're drawing as well, okay? It's also important that you're using those notes in your assignments. And if you have any questions, you're coming to see me for tutoring on Tuesday mornings and Thursday mornings. That's the perfect time to come for tutoring as you don't have any core classes beginning until 9:36 when you have English. So you have a full hour to get any assignments done. Reach out to Ms. Neville if you have questions before you begin your second attempt. It's never a good idea to do both attempts back to back without getting help from Ms. Neville or the adult that's at home with you. You also want to make sure you understand that Ms. Neville's available to you through phone, text, remind, or email from 7:30 until 4:30. Parents, I know that might be a tough time for you because some of you don't get off of work until 5 and 6, but Ms. Neville has stuff to do right after that. So it's important for us to understand that I'm there for you. I want to be there for you. Email's the best way to reach me, but remember that I'm no longer taking calls about school after 4:30 each day. I hope this helps you out. Feel free to contact me. I can't wait to see everyone today in science class or for some of you in tutoring. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.